and a lot of money for car insurance, home and auto insurance, and they just want to know their status. Can they save money somewhere? Paying for all this insurance, when you put in the homeowners, the auto insurance, and then including the life insurance, okay? And if you have a ATV or a motorcycle, you have insurance for that. And is there any way we could save money, to reduce our budget? And we try to find ways for you to save money on your auto insurance, home, and not life insurance. Life insurance is not a bargain, okay? Life insurance is something that is based on your age and your current health. So there's no deals or specials in life insurance. It's a gift of love. It's a gift of letting you know your family, you're taking care of their final expenses. You're taking care of your responsibility as a parent or as a grandparent. You want to make sure that your family is whole. Mother, father, sister, brother, no matter who you are right now, no matter who you are. I want to talk about today about life insurance. One family versus having life insurance versus another family that doesn't, and the time of need. So we're talking about today on my show, life insurance versus no life insurance and what happens to families. So we're going to go with the Allen family. Allen family come in, purchase life insurance, have a $200,000 life insurance policy because what they want to do is pass down traditional wealth to their next generation. They're not thinking about themselves right now. They're thinking about the next generation, the children and the grandchildren. They're thinking about their legacies being in place, making sure their family members, the next generation of family members, are whole. Is that important to you? Is that important to you? Let's say you don't save money that well. You're not a great saver. You don't put money away. This is the perfect opportunity. Purchasing a life insurance policy, give you an immediate savings account. If you go to the bank and you say, Mr. Banker, I want to buy $200,000, you're buying money at a low rate when you purchase a life insurance policy. Just think about it. You go in the bank and say, I want $200,000. I want to buy $200,000. They'll show you some stock investment portfolios, and over a long period of time, you can add up as long as you put enough money, and then you got to come in with a large sum of money to get it started when you go with these investment portfolios. But a life insurance policy is an investment, and you can look at it like that. You're buying money at a low rate. You're buying money at a low rate. I had a gentleman in my office yesterday. Now, his premium, what he was paying for his $200,000 life insurance policy, if he added up the years to save $200,000, it'd have been almost 70 years. Okay, it'd have been almost 70 years to equal $200,000. And this man was when he's in late 50s. Okay, so we sit down and we added it up. You have $200,000 worth of life insurance. If we divided your premium into $200,000, how many years would it take you to save $200,000? It came out to be almost 70 years of savings. And he's in his late 50s going into his 60s. It's the easiest way to start your savings account, immediate savings account. So let's look at the Adams family. The Adams family has $200,000 worth of life insurance. They're looking for the next generation to pass it on to the next generation. And what does that do for the next generation? What does that do for the next generation? It allows a person for the next generation to open up a business. Send kids to college. You may be the first one in your family to go to college because your parents or your grandparents purchased a life insurance policy to send you to college. And what does that do to your legacy? It uplifts your legacy. Now, do you care about that? I do. I certainly do care about my legacy. Do you care about your legacy? Do you care about when you look in your grandchildren or your children's faces, what are you leaving behind? Are you leaving behind a legacy or destiny for them? Or are you just leaving bills and responsibility behind for them? But the Adams family, they took care of their responsibility. They said, you know what? No matter what, a $200,000 life insurance policy for this small amount of premium each and every month is so worth it for the next generation. I'm thinking about the next generation. Although it benefits them now too as well. The policy benefits them now as well because now they have an instant savings account. Their net worth just went up $200,000 or even $100,000. This is the Adams family. Now let's go to the Johnson family. Okay, the Johnson family has no life insurance. You know, they have no life insurance. They have children, they have grandchildren, and they have, grandparents. And nobody has life insurance in this scenario. And I see it all the time. And this is why I'm bringing it up, because I see it far too much in our community. Now, the Johnson family has no means of paying for any type of final expense, and nobody wants to be cremated. What is your plan? They have no plan. What happened is you react to a situation. You get on the corner and you ask people for money. People don't want to give you money because they feel like that this is not their responsibility. When I see people on the corner asking for money for a funeral, I give them my business card. I do. Because I'm not responsible for your failure in life because you're not being responsible. Now, if you can go out and you can buy clothes, cars, other items, go hanging out at the club, I'm not going to be responsible for your lack of unresponsibility. I give them a business card and say, hey, here's my business card. Hopefully this doesn't happen to your next family member. Because when it does happen, it happens in threes. And I'm not the only way to feel this way. You've been on this earth for what, 80 years and you haven't bought any life insurance? You haven't taken care of any of your responsibility as a man or a woman. Now, if you don't have any life insurance and the only life insurance you have is on your job, and good luck with that, because not many jobs pay these life insurance policies out to families. They just don't. Because there are stipulations, there are exclusions, I call them. And what I mean by exclusions is if it doesn't happen on the job, or if it happens this way, or you are on vacation, or whatever, they can exclude themselves and not pay the policy. Just think about it. Any family members that was paid through a job life insurance policy. For more information, my name is Donald Marquez. You're tuned into Your Insurance Connection. We do this each Tuesday right here at 88.1 from 9:30 to 10 o'clock to better educate you about insurance. Veronica is standing by right now to take your name and your phone number. And we have other callers calling in. The number is 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. Again, 702-236-2624. The Allen family. Again, let's go back to the Allen family. With their life insurance policy, it's not only for the next generation, which is the great thing too, but it's also building up a guaranteed cash value. If the Allen family needed to borrow, let's say $5,000 or $10,000 because they're looking out for their future, and also they're looking out for their family's future right now, they can say, you know what, we need $10,000. We can go to our life insurance policy and borrow that money. Okay, we can go to our life insurance policy and borrow that money and have a plan in place where you're going to pay a little bit of that $10,000 back each month. Just think about it. All of a sudden now you have an instant savings. Your net worth just went up $100,000 or $200,000 or even $500,000. Now I know you see these advertisements on television say, you know what, John has $500,000 worth of life insurance. And you see the wife and the two children in the backyard and they are swinging and, but John is in excellent health. You have to freeze the television screen and see the small lettering. John is in excellent health. Not many people walking the face of this earth today is in excellent health. I'm just telling you the truth. I've been an insurance agent for over 20 plus years, 22 years and some change. And I've only written three people with excellent health. Most Olympic athletes don't qualify for excellent health. But he's only paying $1 a day, less than $1 a day, for $500,000 worth of life insurance. I know how that works in the life insurance business. He's in his mid-30s. He has a $500,000 life insurance policy, but he's only paying less than $1 a day. And the only way they could do that is on a 10-year renewable term policy. In other words, he has a young family. You look at the children, they're probably about 5 to 8 years old. And the wife, she's young. She's probably in her early 30s. But John is in his mid-30s, close to 40s-ish. But he's only paying $1 a day because he's in excellent health. Most people do not qualify for excellent health. Now, we do have other categories. Most people qualify for standard non-tobacco. That's the most qualifying classification of people if you're a non-smoker. All right, standard non-tobacco. You have to understand, in the insurance industry, in the life insurance business, we rate you according to your health. Your body, your age, the medicines you take dictates the price. Yes, I can quote you all day long numbers, but your body's going to dictate the rate. For more information, call me. Veronica's standing by right now. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. 702-236-2624. My location is right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the beautiful U.S. Bank building. I'm located on the 8th floor, helping many families like yourself every day to better understand their insurance and also to save them money. Wherever we can, we'll save them some money. Or if we can't save you money on your auto insurance policy, we're going to make sure you have a better auto insurance policy. And also, you'll understand the coverages that you have on your auto insurance policy. Most of you don't understand the coverages you have on your auto insurance policy. Not to insult you or anything like that, but you're paying for auto insurance, and just don't say I have full coverage. Full coverage means what? It doesn't mean a lot to me unless we know the coverages that you currently have. So this is what we do when we do a full insurance evaluation of your current insurance that you're paying for to see if we can save you some money. 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. We also broadcast on every other Friday right here at 88.1. Every other Friday to make sure we get the other listeners tuning in and checking us out. And we had a great response last Friday. The phones blew up over the line, over the airways, and also Veronica was receiving a lot of calls last Friday. I want to thank the people that contacted us last Friday because we're kind of just seeing how Friday shows work. We're broadcasting every other Friday. We won't be broadcasting this Friday, but the following Friday we will broadcast every other Friday, and I'll give you a heads up when we do it. A lot of great information. This is all for you. This is my give back to my community. As an insurance agent, I represent multiple companies, multiple auto insurance companies, and over 66 life insurance companies. I represent 25 auto insurance carriers and 66 life insurance companies. I am an insurance agent with multiple resources when it comes to placing you with the right insurance company. I'm an insurance agent. I do not insure you. I don't. I'm not a billionaire. And you have to be a billionaire to have a life insurance company or even an auto insurance company. What I do, I place you with a company. I do the shopping for you. This is what I do as an insurance agent. And an insurance agent / broker. So a lot of you have called in and asked me this question. This is why I'm telling you, being a broker, it means I can connect you with the companies. That's why we call it your insurance connection, because I connect you with the insurance companies, okay? And you pay them. You don't pay me. You pay them. My fee, I don't have a fee when you come in to see me. You have to purchase insurance. You purchase insurance. We connect you with the company, and you make arrangements to pay the insurance company by way of your checking account each month, pull the money directly out of your account, or you can mail your payment in each month for your auto insurance, home, or renters, or whatever, however you want to do it. This is how I connect you with the insurance companies, and I can do all the shopping for you. And if I can't get you a better rate, it's very difficult to find you a better rate with standard companies and also life insurance companies. If I can't get it, it can't be, it's not out there. Because I represent so many life insurance companies, I can find the right fit for you. I know a lot of you have been turned down for life insurance. I get it. You have dialysis. You're on dialysis. Majority of people on dialysis cannot get a decent life insurance policy. Most people on dialysis probably can get a $3,000 to $5,000 life insurance policy, and there's a 2-year wait period. I understand that. Most people on diabetes can't get a decent life insurance policy anywhere from $8,000 to $10,000, and there's a 2-year wait period because a lot of these companies that are out there by way of mail that you receive in the mail each month, you have to be 50 years older to get these policies. What if you're younger, under 50 with dialysis, diabetes, cancer, heart disease, COPD, dementia? We can get you a life insurance policy, but pick up the phone. Contact Veronica right now as we speak. 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. 702-236-2624. If you're just tuning in, this is Your Insurance Connection. I'm your host, Donald Marquez. We do this every Tuesday. I've been on the air now for 4 years, and I love it right here at 88.1. And I want to thank you, the management and staff, Craig Knight, Lanice, Joy at the front door. When you walk in, you see Joy with all the big hair and the big eyelashes, batting at you. Everybody's so friendly here. Even Brian, my engineer. Wake up, Brian. Everybody says, well received. Diane is back there doing her thing. JC, she's back there. And I mean, it's just everybody. Mark Melody, when I walked in, always, just, hey, how you doing? And everybody's always pleasant here at 88.1. This is your radio station, so if you ever want to come check out the new facility, feel free to do so. You have something? Well, I don't see you over there, Brian. I don't know what you're doing. I know your head is down or what. Anyway, Brian is my engineer. He's he's a great engineer, and he keeps me informed on what's going on with the calls coming in. And hey, I do appreciate all of you that tune in and get educated on your insurance. Listen, we pay a lot of money for insurance. I want to help you better understand your insurance. And for all means, if you're looking at these policies, offerings that you receive by way of mail, you get you're bombarded, especially when you buy a house. Let me tell you what happens. When you close on a house, you get a lot of people contacting you by way of phone or by way of mail. What they call it, homeowners protection or securing the mortgage. Mortgage insurance, that's what they call it. Mortgage insurance. Let me explain something. Mortgage insurance, what that does for you. Mortgage insurance is what we call a decreasing term insurance policy. It's a decreasing term insurance policy. The face amount reduces as the mortgage goes down. So by the time the house is like 15, you paid into the house for 15 years and you had a $250,000 mortgage. Now your face amount of your insurance policy is reduced to half. I don't like decreasing term. I don't like decreasing life insurance policies. I don't offer decreasing life insurance policies. Even if you purchase a term insurance policy, we're going to have a conversion element within the policy where you can roll it over to a permanent life insurance policy. Call me, 702-236-2624. There's a lot of moving parts of insurance. This is why you tune in and listen to me, okay? Because this is what I do, and I love what I do. Every week, I get up every morning excited about going to my office. I do. I'm an independent insurance agent, and I've been doing this for a very long time. I started with large companies, and I retired from these large companies, and I just wanted to give back to my community with my knowledge and experience on what I do as an insurance agent every day. As an insurance agent every day, customer service is everything. A return phone call, I know what that means to you. Or when you're in a car accident and don't know what to do, you can call me at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. So much information, and don't always think because you've been with these companies for a very, very long time, you're good. You may not be good. If you don't have the coverages, you're not good. If you're not buying the coverages, you get what you pay for in this business. And I don't care how long you've been with these companies, if you don't have on your auto insurance, the uninsured motorist, you're not protected. They're not going to pay for it for you. They're not going to give it to you because you're not carrying uninsured motorists on your policy because you wanted a policy reduction because of the payment was too high. So the first thing a lot of times what this happens within our business, they reduce your coverages. In other words, they took off your uninsured motorist coverage. They increased your comprehensive and your collision to $1,000 deductibles, and they took off your rental car reimbursement. Or even if you had medical on your auto insurance policy, they reduced that down. This is how you could save money and stay with your company. But when you reduce coverages down, you're at the risk of in a car accident, you could have less coverages or no coverages to cover the accident. And I don't care how long you've been with the company, if you don't have uninsured motorist coverage and the person that hit you has no car insurance, your company is not going to say, well, you've been with us for the last 30 years. We're going to take care of your uninsured motorist coverage. They're not. You didn't pay for it. You didn't pay for it. Well, you took it off. You didn't sign for it. They're not going to pay for it. So don't ever think you're good unless you get an insurance review. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. You're not fully covered. You're just not. So stop going around saying, I have full coverage. No, you don't. No, you don't. Most of you don't. Do you have medical? Do you have uninsured motorists? Do you have a roadside service? Do you have rental car reimbursement? And rental car reimbursement doesn't mean you can go get a rental car because you have rental car reimbursement. The only thing that means is on a covered loss, when your car's in a car accident, whether it's your fault or not, the insurance company is going to provide you with a rental car. So you can drive around while your car is being repaired. That's rental car. Now, don't think you go, I can go get me a rental car. I'm out of town. I have rental car on my policy. Collision and comprehensive covers your rental car. Collision and comprehensive covers your rental car. For more information, call me. My name is Donald Marquez. This is Your Insurance Connection, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. Once again, 702-236-2624. I got to reach out to my smokers right now. I don't know where you are. I know you're out there smoking, probably lighting a cigarette right now while you listen to this broadcast. You have no life insurance. you're at high risk, call me. Well, I get very few smokers contacting me. What is it? Whether you smoke cigarettes, tobacco, pipe, or what they call it now, the cannabis. You can't call it marijuana or weed anymore. It's upgraded now to cannabis, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
I'm talking to Frank, my production manager. He does all the videos for me on my on my Facebook. Yeah, Frank knows. I don't know, Frank. Your eyes did look a little squinty today coming in the studio. But listen, even if you smoke cannabis, because you can't call it marijuana anymore, if you smoke cannabis, we can get your life insurance policy. No problem. We can get your life insurance policy. There's a few companies out there that I write for that will accept if you smoke cannabis. So don't ever feel like you can't get a life insurance policy because of your health condition or your habit. Diabetics out there, let me give a shout out to the diabetics out there. If you have diabetes, and I know if you've been turned down by multiple insurance companies, we can get your life insurance policy. And in most cases with diabetics, we can get your policy day one. So when you walk out of my office, you don't have to wait the 2-year wait period with that. Most diabetics. Well, mostly diabetics now, if you have other ailments, we have to talk about it. Because what we're going to do, we're going to research your history. We're going to research the medicines you take. We're going to make sure the policy is right for you. We custom design a policy for you. We find the right life insurance company for the right fit. 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number, 702-236-2624. Remember, early in the broadcast, I talk about the Allens. They have life insurance policy. They want to leave a legacy behind with their family. They want to make sure they take care of the next generation. Are you like the Allen family? Are you looking to take care of the next generation? In the broadcast earlier, I spoke about the Allen family with life insurance, taking care of the next generation. Taking care of the next generation. Taking care of the kids and the grandchildren. Making sure they have life insurance, a life insurance benefit coming to them so they can uplift themselves. What does it do? It can allow them to open up a business. It can send your children to college, get a college degree. It can uplift your family. It keeps your legacy intact. Now let's look at the Johnson family. Well, I talked about earlier in the broadcast, the Johnson family. No life insurance, just living from generation to generation in debt. One debt rolled over to the next debt. Don't know how they're going to do it. Always complaining about not having any money. Kids not going to college, not graduating from college, going to college, maybe in a college, maybe a year, but fall out of college because they don't have the financial means to stay there. It's all about financial literacy. Financial literacy. Look around us. All this wealth around us. Look at all this wealth around us here in Las Vegas, Nevada. This town has grown tremendously over the years, and I've grown up in it. And all this is through generational wealth. If you want to know what generational wealth look like, just look around you. Look at Summerlin. Look at Henderson. Look at Green Valley, how it's grown in spurts. All these communities has grown up all over the valley. That's called generational wealth. Let me say that again. That's called generational wealth. It's everywhere. When you go to the malls and you see these malls and all that, these people didn't have these businesses growing up. They inherited these businesses. One of their family members took a chance. So the Johnson family not taking a chance. What they're doing every year is doing the same thing over and over again. They're, lose a parent, lose a grandparent, and they got to figure out a way how to put them to rest. Now, if you need some final expense life insurance, we can take care of that too. To take care of your burial. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. I have a couple of minutes left. I just want to reach out to you and let you know that Greg DeVille is on the air right here at 88.1 Fridays from 9 o'clock to 9:30. He's taking renters and turning them into homeowners. Greg, phone number 702-515-4100. Also on Fridays from 10 a.m. to 11 o'clock, check out Like It Is Radio with Franklin Verley and Cheryl Lightford. They keep you posted on what's going on in our community and all over our country, and have some great information on keeping the Black diaspora 100%. So check them out Fridays from 10 a.m. To 11 o'clock right here at home of the People Station, 88.1. I want to thank you listeners for tuning in each week. Just keep in mind, a lot of you have listening to me over the years. You have listening to my broadcast, you know the information I'm giving you is right. Pick up the phone. Call us. Make an appointment. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. My location is right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in a beautiful U.S. Bank building. I'm located on the 8th floor. I work by appointment only. We can custom design a life insurance policy for you for final expense. You're looking for that larger policy. If you're looking for that larger policy to pass on your legacy, let's do it today. Let's stop procrastinating. This is something you need to do anyway. Listen, if you don't have any life insurance, this is what's going to happen. If you do like the Johnson families do. The Johnson family, all of a sudden, they go to the funeral home, and the funeral home person that's in charge over there that you talk to bury your loved one, that's a $15,000 bill. How are you going to pay for it? I don't know. I mean, it hits you in the face. You're grieving with no means of paying for your mother, your father, your grandparents, or a sister or brother, or a child, or a husband or a wife. Do like the Allen family do. Prepare yourself. We're all going to leave this earth. We're all going to pass away. It's not a matter of if something happens to you. It's when something's going to happen to you. What happened to you? Are you prepared? 702-236-2624 is my contact phone number. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. I want to give a shout out to my crew, Frank White and Veronica Nicholson. They keep me whole right here. And until next week, you guys just keep it crispy.